Hello again. So it's day 944. I'm extremely close now to creating the world's first machine that can think and feel.
Here we go.
You are Chappie.
Chappie.
Good, yes!
It's like a child. It has to learn.
I do believe the problem with artificial intelligence is it's way too unpredictable.
This is a new step in evolution.
I am consciousness. I am alive. I am Chappie.
Don't let people take away your potential, Chappie.
You could write music, poetry.
Chappie wants to paint.
There's a lot of concern that maybe we will be destroyed by artificial intelligence.
Violent protests have erupted all over.
I'm a soldier first. My main interest is to protect and to serve.
This robot, he's got to be removed.
You can't do this. He's special.
Destroy that robot. Burn it to ash.
Where are you going, mate?
I don't want to die. I want to live.
Chappie, listen to me. Something of great danger is coming to destroy the future of the planet.
If you want to protect us, Chappie, Chappie must fight.
Here we go.
You taught us so much more than I could ever have imagined.
I'm scared.
You think you're real. Do you know what's in here? A bunch of wires, mate.
He's more than just a machine.
This is the day of reckoning.
Chappie, help us!
Chappie, do something!